Alright, so our project that we made for this course was an autonomous surveillance system. Basically the problem we wanted to solve was like a system of security for basically like monitoring your house or keeping track of like any like outdoor or even indoor scenario so you can watch it live from wherever you are. So motivation was we wanted to create an easy use system where you can monitor any like area like real time and see like updates if there's any like intruders, anything like that. Basically the scope for this is we want to create a prototype where basically we have a system set up with a device that has a motion sensor and a camera, and it scans for motion. When it sees it, it takes an image and a video when it's complete, sends it to our server, and then you can download it from your app and see it there.
So for the hardware, we use the Raspberry Pi 3 for our prototype, as it's easy to work with and easy to use with other devices. We use the Raspberry Pi camera and the motion sensor, which is attached to the Raspberry Pi, so we can detect motion and grab video feeds of any detections. For our mobile app, we use the Android Studio with SQLite to store the data for the images and the videos. And for the same thing for the Raspberry Pi, we just used Python, which was really simple to use and connect to our the camera and the motion sensor. For our server, we use an AWS EC2 Elastic Cloud server with MySQL and HTTP, so our mobile app will connect to it using HTTP from the internet. And for our system architecture, the phone will be connected through Wi-Fi to the internet, which will attach to a server, an AWS server, which is hosted on the cloud right now. Our Raspberry Pi is also connected to the internet using the same server, but it grabs the video feed, it grabs the images, and sends it over to the server, which then the user can download from the internet.
And then, yeah, basically the application domains for this project could potentially be like indoor, outdoor security, like at a home or an office. Eventually set it up outdoor if you wanted to like monitor, see if like looking for specific animals, set it up somewhere and watch and see when they come by. And, yeah, that's basically for our presentation poster. And then for our demo, basically we have our system set up over there.
Yeah. So for app, so once motion starts being detected, it will go on for a duration, 5 seconds we kept, so it will continue once it's moved out of frame, and then you'll get a notification saying there's a new image, and then you could download or see the image. The image shows who is there, and then the video takes a while to download, so I'll show you a pre-cut video, so you could view the video. And it will just show you the video once you request. The app, when you set up to register the thing, you have to copy paste the Pi's authentication number and then name whatever you want it. Here, you could just name it Pi and.
Don't bother with that.
No.
Yeah. That's just to set up the. That's just to set up the app to like say you had multiple like sensors. You could like register they're all there, so you could be scanning multiple locations from one phone. You can have it linked to like you'd have 2 different phones scanning the same location or like any scenario, any combination of that. So that's basically our demo and presentation for this. All right.